welcome to the screencast on section 1.1 of Active Prelude to Calculus, relating changing quantities. Mathematics is a tool for explaining patterns in the world around us. When two or more quantities are related and changing simultaneously, we often want to use mathematics to describe relationships among them. Data tables, graphs, algebraic equations, and written sentences are all ways to explain how the quantities are related. For instance, if we take a container and fill it with water at a constant rate, we can study how the height of the water in the tank depends on the amount of water in the tank, or how the height depends on the amount of time elapsed. In the simplest situation, we could fill the tank at a rate of 1 unit of volume per unit of time, such as 1 liter per minute. We can then ask many interesting questions. How does the shape of the graph of height versus time change if we change the rate water enters the tank? If we change the shape of the tank? If we vary the rate at which the tank fills? Or if we instead drain a full tank rather than fill an empty one? Answering these questions from multiple perspectives helps us fully understand the relationships and patterns present, and we will do so using numerical data, graphical representations, and equations with variables. In this section, you'll learn how to use tables and graphs to represent relationships between changing quantities, as well as how algebra enables us to express such relationships more formally.